Can you repeat this part?
Yes. Question says that in the room there are 6 doors and person goes inside with any of the choice, but come out with the same door which he has used to go inside. So he has 6 options to get inside. But when he will come out, he has only one option. What that option? From the door he has gone inside, he should come out from that door only. So that means he has only one option to come out. So we will say 6 into 1, there will be 6 ways there. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, next
Yes, sir.
question, please. The flag of a newly formed forum. The flag of a newly formed forum has 3 blocks. Each to be painted differently. Each to be painted differently. And we have 7 different colors. We have 7 different colors. How many ways you can make this flag?
Sir, 210.
One answer is 210. Okay.
Yes,
What
sir.
I told all should be colored differently. When I'm saying all colored differently,
Yes, sir.
you can't repeat it.
Yes, sir.
How much? 210. First place I can paint it by 7 ways. First place I can fill or I can color by 7 ways. Whatever color you have placed here now should not be taken in further 2. That means this place we have only 6 options. And whatever the color you
Sir, 18.
should not be taken here, so 5. And there is a multiplication rule because we have to color first and second and third, then the flag is ready. So I should say 7 into 6 into 5, that will be 210. Okay. By the way, in this question, I say it can be colored anyway. I'm not saying distinct color should be there. Any way you color it.
343.
Yes. Then what I should say? First place can be by 7 ways.
In all blocks there are 7.
Third can be by 7. 7 into 7 into 7, that will be 343. In that case, now the flag will be with a single color will come. Maybe the flag have 2 strips with single color. So all the cases will be here. In this case, we are not bothered about it because he is not giving any restriction. When he gave restriction, I have taken 7 into 6 into 5. But when restriction is not there, I'll say 7 into 7 into 7. Next question, please. Find the number of 4-letter word. Find the 4-letter word which you can form with the letters of the word name. Either it has meaning or not, we are not bothered about it.
So can the letters repeat?
Yes, first part it repeat, second one it does not repeat. Both answers I want. 4-letter word to be formed in which the letter can repeat, first one, and then letter cannot repeat. 4-letter word has to be formed.
Sir, if it can repeat, then 256.
Yes, 256.
And
And
if
if
it
it
can't, then
cannot
it is
repeat,
120.
Second one,
120.
120. No,
sir, 24.
24. Yes. 4-letter word is to be placed. When we want 4-letter word and I am saying repetition is allowed. For this I have 4 letters possible for me. Second will also have 4 letters. Third will also have 4 letters and fourth will also have 4 letters. So answer will be 4 power 4, that is 256. By the way, if they say repetition is not allowed, all letter to be distinct, then I should say first place we have 4 choices. Second one will have only 3 choices. Then we have 2 choices and then we have 1 choice. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 words will be there in all. Is it clear? Next.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question please. How many 3-digit number? How many 3-digit number can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 4 and 5? How many numbers? When I'm saying numbers and nothing is given means repetition allowed. If I say distinct digit, repetition is not allowed. I'm saying in this case, only 3-digit number I want. How many numbers can be formed by using these numbers 2, 3, 4, 5? 3-digit number I want.
64.
64. Because I'm saying it can repeat. Because nothing is given in the instruction, we will say we can repeat the number. First place we have 4 choice. So it will be 4. Second will be 4. Third will be 4. 64 numbers will be there. By the way, they say distinct digit you should have.
20.
Distinct digit. Distinct digit means all should be different. When all should be different,
Then 24.
4 is the first place. Second kitna hoga? 3 and then 2.
24.
24 numbers are there which will be with the distinct digit. Clear? One more question. How many 4-digit number can be formed with the digit 0, 2, 3, 4, 5? 4-digit number we should form with the digit 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4-digit number I want.
625.
6.
Sir, 100.
One answer is 25, another answer is 100. Okay. कोई और आंसर है? एक और आंसर
625.
और बोलो. इतने सारे आंसर एक क्वेश्चन के. We want 4-digit number. 4-digit number means one thing is clear that at first place you can't put 0. यहां अगर आपने 0 ले लिया तो प्रॉब्लम आएगी, ये 3-digit नंबर हो जाएगा. इसका मतलब 0 को आप यहां नहीं रख सकते.
500.
अगर आप
500.
तो इसका मतलब ये कितनी चॉइस मिलेगी पहले वाले के लिए? 4. रिपीटेशन अलाउड और नो? कुछ बोला है क्या मैंने?
No, sir.
No, sir, allowed.
मतलब रिपीटेशन अलाउड है.
तो 500 होगा.
यहाँ पर आपका 5 आएगा. आपकी बात होगी यहाँ 0 आने में मेरे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. This is also not a problem for me. This is also not a problem for me. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 4. 125 into 4.
500.
500 is the answer. If I say distinct digit, please do it. I want distinct digit this time. We have distinct digit.
80.
80. Okay, पहला आंसर 80 आ रहा है. और भी देख लो भाई.
Yes, sir, 80.
Sir, 88.
एक और 96 बता रहे हैं, एक 80 बता रहे हैं. चलिए देखते हैं. फर्स्ट प्लेस, हाउ मेनी वेज?
4 ways.
1 2 3 4. 4. Then one number is occupied here. यहाँ कितने नंबर चाहिए अब आपको?
Sir,
इन तीनों को अब आप इंक्लूड करेंगे. इनमें से एक कम हो गया है. That is coming here. Either 2 is there or 3 is there or 4 is there or 5 is there. इसका मतलब
96.
पे भी हमारे पास 4 ही नंबर है. Right or no? In third
Yes.
place, only 3. क्योंकि 2 यहाँ ऑक्यूपाई हो चुके हैं, आपके पास 3 नंबर बचेंगे और यहाँ पर फिर 2।
96.
16, 16, 6 are 96 is the answer. So 80 is wrong, please correct it. First place, 0 cannot come,
Yes.
so we will say 4 choice. Second place, 3 from here and 0 will be added, so it will be 4 ways. Third place, 2 are already gone, so left is 3, and then fourth place only 2 ways. So I say 4 into 4 into 3 into 2, total will be 96 ways. Next question, please. How many numbers are there between 4,000 and 5,000 which can be formed with the digits 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8? How many 4-digit number is there, or how many numbers are there between 4,000 and 5,000? Definitely there will be a 4-digit number. How many are there which will be between 4,000 and 5,000?
Sir, 125.
Sir, 125.
125.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. First place, what number can be?
Yes, sir. 125.
Only one way.
1.
First will be only 4. इसका मतलब केवल
1.
हो सकता है, right? क्योंकि यहाँ पर 4 को फिर
Yes.
आपको. For the second part, there is no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be done by 5 ways. It can be done by 5 ways. It can be done by 5 ways. So total will be 120. If I want distinct digit, what change will be here? I want distinct digit. Different होनी चाहिए digit. Between 4,000
1 and 4 and 3.
Sir, 24.
So 24.
24.
24.
24. चलिए. First place 1 way. Then we have 4 ways. Then we
So
have
60.
2. No 60. Why 60?
Sir, 60.
क्यों?
Sir, in second number we have 5 options.
Why we have
Okay,
5
okay.
option? No, I am saying distinct digit. Distinct digit का मतलब क्या हुआ? सब अलग अलग होंगी. आपने पहली पे 4 को फिक्स कर दिया
Okay,
है.
sir. Sorry, sir.
4 फिक्स होते जब आपके पास केवल 4
Yes,
choices रह गई. So it will be 4, then 3, then 2.
Okay, sir.
4 is the answer. Okay. Next question, please.
Yes, sir.
There are 6 multiple choice questions in an examination. 6 multiple choice questions are there in the examination. How many sequence of answers are possible?
Can you repeat?
There are 6 questions which are multiple choice one in an examination. How many sequence of answers are there if there are first 3 question with 4 choices and next 3 has 5 choices? First 3 question 4 choices and next 3 has 5 choices. How many sequence of answers are there?
Sir, 8,000.
So the multiplication of all these numbers.
Yes, multiplication. First
Yeah.
answer I can give by 4 ways. Second I can give by 4 ways. Third I can give by 4 ways. Then I have 5 ways. Then I have 5 ways and then 5 ways. So 20, 20 and 20. So it has come out to be 8,000. In the second part of this question, how many sequence of answers are incorrect? how many sequence of answers are incorrect? What is the meaning of incorrect? Incorrect का मतलब एक भी गलत है तो वो sequence incorrect मान रहे हैं. How many sequence of answers are incorrect?
Sir, 7,999.
Yes, only one answer will be perfect correct. Other will be incorrect. Incorrect का मतलब उसमें एक correct, incorrect हो सकता है, दो incorrect हो सकते हैं, तीन हो सकते हैं, चार, पांच, छह. Maybe all are incorrect. So that will be called as incorrect one. So and correct one will be only one sequence, right? And when the correct is only one sequence, we will say incorrect will be 8,000 minus 1. That means it will come out to be 7,999.
Sir, can you repeat this concept?
Yes. Question says that how many incorrect sequences are here? आपको जब 6 क्वेश्चन दिए जा रहे हैं तो उनका एक सीक्वेंस परफेक्टली करेक्ट होगा. वो परफेक्टली करेक्ट जैसे मैंने कहा ये ए आंसर है, इसका बी है, सी है, डी है, ये ए है और ये बी है. ये एक सीक्वेंस ऑफ आंसर है जो करेक्ट माना जाएगा. बाकी सब सीक्वेंस क्या होंगे? इनकरेक्ट होंगे, जिसमें कि पूरे नंबर आपको नहीं मिलेंगे. सो वी विल से इट इज अ इनकरेक्ट वन. तो इनकरेक्ट कितने हुए? केवल एक सीक्वेंस जिसने ये लिखा है वो करेक्ट होगा, बाकी सब इनकरेक्ट होंगे. So we will say it will be incorrect will be 7,999.
Okay, sir.
Now if I'll say in an examination, in the same question, in an examination, there are how many students appearing? I'm saying how many students are appearing when you will find not a single person has given all correct answers. And no two answers are repeated. किसी ने भी सारे आंसर करेक्ट नहीं दिए हैं और दूसरा मैं कह रहा हूं कोई भी दो के आंसर एक से नहीं है.
सर पॉसिबल ही नहीं हो सकता.
क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
सर जब तक 7,999 स्टूडेंट्स है तब तक पॉसिबल हो सकता है, जैसे 8,000 हो जाएंगे तो इम्पॉसिबल.
यस, वी हैव, मैंने यही कहा है आपसे कि कितने स्टूडेंट होने चाहिए कि आपके पास एक भी सेट परफेक्ट नहीं होगा. एक स्टूडेंट ने भी परफेक्ट आंसर नहीं दिया, दूसरा कोई भी रिपीट नहीं कर रहा है, कोई भी दो स्टूडेंट के आंसर रिपीट नहीं हो रहे. इसका मतलब एग्जैक्टली कितने स्टूडेंट्स होने चाहिए आपके पास? 7,999 होने चाहिए. अगर इतने स्टूडेंट है तो आप क्या कहेंगे? सबने इनकरेक्ट दिया और सबके आंसर्स अलग अलग हो जाएंगे. सो यू कैन आस्क व्हाट इज द number of students who appeared